Place a vice grip clamp firmly in each horizontal track just before the radius portion, about 16 inches from the header. Carry the lower half of the door into the unit, face up, with the brake joint facing toward the front. Tip the door slightly to pass by the rear frame. Once inside, lower one edge of the door so it rests against the corner where the sidewall joins the floor. Install the rollers into each hinge location, including the bottom bracket. Be sure to place 3 spacer washers on the roller shafts at the bottom joint locations. These washers play an important role in keeping the door centered and operating smoothly. Once the first edge of the door is finished, lift the opposite side of the door, placing the just installed rollers against the sidewall to keep them from falling out. Now, finish installing the rollers on the other side of the door. Move the door section to the front of the trailer by sliding along the floor on the rollers to keep the rollers in place. Lift the lower door half into position and slide it into the back of the horizontal tracks. Roll the lower half in until it stops against the vice grips. Place another clamp behind the door half to hold it in place while you carry the upper half into the unit. Again, after installing the rollers, slide the upper half of the door into the tracks. Install the track stops at the rear of each horizontal track section. Remove the clamp so that the tongue and groove joint of the 2 halves can come together. Fasten the halves together utilizing the step bolts provided. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut, as over-tightening may force the bolt head into the wood.